Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the cursor back on your laptop on your HP OmniBook X. To do it, you'll simply need to, you can see I have the cursor, but I can still show you how to fix it. So first of all, on the keyboard itself, there's no button for toggling the touchpad, which means that you can't just use a button. You can use it on some laptops, not on this one. So let's begin with going to the settings, and I of course will be showing you all this using the keyboard. Since you don't have the cursor, you probably can't use it. So I click on the start on the Windows key on the keyboard, and then type in settings. Once they are on the first option on the list, hit on enter. Now click on the tab key. Tab key is the key above caps lock on the left side of the Q letter, or in French layout it will be A letter. So yeah, let's click on tab until you're pointing on home. Now use the arrows on the keyboard to go to Bluetooth and devices and click on space. Now click on tab again until you're pointing on devices. By the way, if you go too far, you can simply click on shift and tab at the same time to go back to the previous selection. Now once you're pointing on devices, use the arrows to go down to touchpad and click on space. Now you can see you're already pointing on switch, so you can click on space to switch it off and click on space to switch it on. Now let's see if it works. In my case it does, but if in your case it does not, then click on Alt and F4, or if it doesn't close the window that way, click on Alt, Fn, which is on the left side of the Windows key, and F4 at the same time. Now click on Windows key on your keyboard and type in Device Manager. Once it's the first option on the list, click on Enter. Now click on Tab until you're pointing on the name of your laptop at the top of the list, and use the arrows to first go to Human Interface Devices, then use the right arrow to expand the menu, and you should be able to find the touchpad. Yeah, I can see a filter driver, though I don't really think this is the touchpad driver, but you can do something with that. If it doesn't help, then we'll try searching for some other drivers. The device manager is basically a list of drivers installed on your device. I'll also go to mice and other pointing devices to see. I think that the ELAN input device may be my touchpad. I can't be sure about that, but that's what I think it is. And yeah, with either that or the ELAN Precision Touchpad Filter driver, simply once you're pointing on it, I believe you need to click on Enter, then click on Tab until you're pointing on General, then go to the right driver, click on Tab to let's click on Shift Tab to go to Update Driver, and click on Space. Now I'll select Search automatically for drivers and click on Space. Yeah, the best one is already installed, so I'll just close it using the Tab key, of course. Now, still being in this window right here, click on Tab to disable device. Click on Space, go to Yes, and now see if it shows Enable Device. Simply, I can see that the touchpad still works if I did that, so also try using the other driver for the touchpad. Either of those should work. Okay, let's enable the device now and see if it works. If it doesn't, then try restarting the system, and if it still doesn't work, then it's probably like still some problems. So you may want to get an external mouse and plug it into your laptop then watch a video on our channel on how to update or install drivers, and that video explains how to do it, and you'll be able to find your touchpad driver at some point and then simply finish everything with that, or seek some professional help if even the drivers from the video about drivers don't help. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.